From Houston, we land travel to visit the coastal city of Corpus Christi. It's more than a 3-hour trip when we reach Corpus Christi. Corpus Christi is located south of Texas, United States. And it was said that the city name also means Body of Christ was named by the Spanish explorer Alonso Alvarez de Pineda, who discovered the city in 1519 during the feast day of Corpus Christi. The first place we visited in Corpus Christi is the USS Lexington Museum.
Say hi, Isha. Where are you, Isha? Hello.
The ship arrived at Corpus Christi on 1992 and now one of the main tourist attractions in Corpus Christi. The USS Lexington was an aircraft carrier built and used during the World War II. And inside, there's a lot of cool stuff that was used during the war.
Seen here. That included the mount captain, the pointer, and the trainer, all working in the same position. Each man was attended by a projectile.
Asa ka ngayon?
We're here at Corpus Christi sa USS Lexington sa Cherry.
Nandito kami ngayon sa USS Lexington Museum. So ayan, kararating lang namin dito sa Corpus Christi. Manonood kami ng sine kung ano all about the Lexington USS. Ayan, so far so good.
The second place we visited was the Texas State Aquarium. This place is just less than 10-minute walk from the USS Lexington Museum. Inside the museum, we saw a lot of marine species and was said that most of them came from the Gulf of Mexico and in the Caribbean Sea. As we were wandering inside the museum, I was mesmerized by the size of the aquarium and the number of different types of marine species I saw. It was incredible.
1, 2, 3. Ito klase ng isla. Siya, fish, oh. What's that fish? Siya, fish, oh. What's that fish? Touch mo lang. Tome.
The aquarium is perfect platform for people and families to learn, bond, and discover together. Surely, this is a must visit here at Corpus Christi.
See, look, Daddy, you will step on it, look. Shark.
Every day right here at Dolphin Bay.
This thing I call love, I can't handle it. This thing I call love, I must get around to it. I ain't ready. Crazy little thing called love. This thing.
Kaya nga video.
Teka, pangit. Pag bumaba na lang. Wow.
The next day, we visited the Whataburger field. It said this was completed in 2005 and home to the baseball team Corpus Christi Hooks, AA Texas League, an affiliate of the Houston Astros. We also visited Selena's memorial statue. The statue is a life-size bronze and was built in honor of the famous Tejano musician, Selena Quintanilla Perez. Besides her memorial, there's a beautiful scenery along the shoreline where we take some pictures and videos. We even made a group dance. After our downtown adventure at Corpus Christi, we are headed to see some beautiful white sand beach. And one of the popular beaches to see is at the Mustang Island State Park.
Say hi! Dito tayo ngayon sa isang beach sa Corpus Christi.
There's a lot of things to do there.
Tata!
Take a picture with an amazing scenery.
May isda dito, oh. Oh, sariwa pa ito, oh. Uy! Tingnan mo.
Ah, Isha. Hey, where are you?
You can hang out, swim, fish in the bay, see birds along the shore, and my daughter had fun playing with the sand.
Isha, what are you doing? Okay. Are you happy? You like it?
Corpus Christi is also known destination for fishing and boating. And one of the popular places to do that is at the Marker 37 Marina. They host several fishing tournaments throughout the year.
Okay na ako.
May landscape kang picture.
Oh, meron.
Ako meron din.
Ay, ganda. Wow. Isa na lang namin sa'yo, Dad.
Before ending our adventure at Corpus Christi, we had a last stop to see the Island Joe's Coffee and Gallery. The renovated shipping containers design of the shop had a unique style. They also serve their own mixed types of blended coffees.
Katapos lang ng Corpus Christi trip namin. Pauwi na kami pabalik sa Houston. So far, okay naman. Enjoy. Mostly mga beach tsaka yung lakes yung makikita dito sa Corpus Christi. So maganda, medyo mainit pa rin kahit na November na, mag-November na. So yun, paggasolina lang ako dito sa gas station, tapos diretso na kami sa Houston.
Overall, Corpus Christi is a good for a family getaway. From museums to learn history, to aquarium and beaches that kids will enjoy. Truly, a worth to visit, and my family had an incredible experience.
Yan, kain muna kami bago kami umuwi ng Whataburger. Ayan, bumabapay sa China.
I'm excited with my tahong.
Yan, medyo mapagod na, haggard. Isha, say hello.
We'll surely come back next time. Thanks, Corpus Christi. Bye for now.